Well, hat off to McClaskey's father, man. That car is pretty. Alan Feltz. Jamie Stanton right there. Jamie's going to make that hard bow tie charge down to the top end, and he does. 414 with a 671 miles per hour. He goes 990 in a 60-foot. How about that for some numbers in X?
I mean, that's just pulling something out of the hat right there. Like, as he is currently undefeated in competition for like a long time. He's almost on Stevie Fast level here.
Well, that's good, and he's such a nice guy, man. Really a gentleman.
But it's the maintenance program that has a little bit to do with that. They are very stringent. Tear it all the way down. They've been protested a couple times. Hell, they pumped it earlier. Like Thursday night after Q1, they got pumped. They got protested.
Oh, red light. I guess you get against the champ.
They both went red.
All right, down there, DJ McCain going down, and the win light for DJ McCain over Brad Medlock. 421 to a 28. What a great drag race, man. 106. McCain goes, and in the left lane. Here we go, man. How about it, Frank Mushaw? Come on, Kenny. Oh, man, 419. Fastest run for him. The Wilmington, Delaware Mustang now to make his, oh, look at this. McDonough said, yeah, take that.
Pretty sure Dom's going to say, go ahead and back up there, player.
There, he backed him out now. He double balled him. Courtesy. Top bulb. McDonough goes back after the top bulb. Now it's going to be Didinato coming into the lights. McDonough's in. Here comes Didinato in. RPM's coming up, building some boost right there. They're in. Lights are down. Green light. Oh, man, McDonough struck the tire, got the car to jerk sideways a bit. He saves it. 422.7 with a victory at 174 miles per hour. The number 4 qualifier moves on from the number 20 qualifier. Here comes the boost. Watch this thing. Time to roll some coal. Oh, diesel power.
Full pull, baby. 414.7, 181. Again, almost 182. Brandon, he's in. Here comes the 2JZ, the Queen
Listen
Bee.
to that thing. Oh, look at this. Biggest upset of the day right there. Jordan Brandon was just sitting on the line. The 2JZ of Eric Laferriere took off. Then it stalled out. That thing died out down there from the incredible
Brian Brooks, Parson, Nitrous, Pro Charger. They said we ain't got to worry about oil leaks. We are carrying it, spitting sparklers out. Let it go.
So Brooks will go in there on a single pass, which he'll be happy about, checking out the tune and knowing what he has for the next round here in X275. Changing the world right there out of Parker, Colorado. 425, 155 miles per hour. Jamie Stanton still trying to bring it to life down there. Ryan Milliken had his best pass ever in that Chevrolet Cummins-powered Nova the last time up at 180-plus miles per hour. Dom Didinato out of Wilmington, Delaware will be in the left lane trying to hang out with him. Number 4, number 5 in qualifying, and the Chevrolet Cummins-powered machine goes on to the next round of Ryan Milliken. There they are, White Rice. Oh, White Rice goes to Brown Rice and gets beat on a hole shot. 4:15 gets beat by a week over their 0.90 to an 0.30 in the reaction time. Here we are. Look at this. Whoa, look at Palmer trying, and he does it. Oh, a whole shot victory. Tables have turned in the Hubbard camp. RVW, on standby, please. Radial versus the World, you're on standby.
So the tractor pull is getting ready. The sled's hooked up. They're seeing how far they can go. It's not 330 feet for a full pull. It's the 660 here for Ryan Milliken. The Hardway Performance Nova. It's just gingerly waiting, saying, come on, bro.
Justin Palmer ready to go in the
Easy.
Mustang. Listen to this.
Got us a drag race.
Look at the left lane. Woo! Upset City. Oh, man. 5:27 to a winning 4:15.9 at 166 miles per hour. The number 8 qualifier takes out the number 5 qualifier. Justin Palmer, congratulations.
Going to the final round, and they found some horsepower. So we're going to see right here if the 484 can get to the final round. The Wendy's 4x4. Machine, the McCain family here, North Augusta, South Carolina. The former Ultra Street ride turned X275 ride. We got us a race side by side off the tree.
Look under DJ. Did you see the little smoke coming out?
I did not, but I seen DJ go 4:17.5, 174 mile an hour to go to the final round. It's huffing a little bit, maybe.
That could have been it. It's just a touch. I mean, it wasn't like wheel smoke, but it did a little bit. But he's out there with a win. Number 2 qualifier. Can almost smell victory at this point. Ryan Brooks, good job. You get out there with a heck of a slingshot win.
Once again, guys, if you are not turning on wind lights, you want your crew or somebody, y'all need to come up here to the tower and get your monies. Don't be trying to call next week. Say, man, I think you got a check for me for like $500.
Hancock should be in the lane. Here they go. DJ still got a little bit of this coming out of the back end, but down there it is going to be DJ McCain by 0.02 of a second and a whole shot to boot right there.